Hey, Victor. How are you? Okay, I'm doing well here. Just want to give an update. You know, this is almost a forest. You see? All things, I really love them. See? It's almost a forest. Yeah, I love them. Thank you so much. Yeah. Good shade. And yeah, making good atmosphere. Love them. Thank you.